bunch of holly and some mistletoe. Gonna top it all off with a satin bow. I've got the glue gun heating up. Got malt cider in my favorite cup. I'm having a Martha Stewart Christmas, and I'm crafting up a Happy New Year. I'm weaving down a basket that is straight from scratch. Then I'll stitch a glove up and we'll play some catch. I'm gonna sponge paint lots of pots, and then we'll stencil happy thoughts. I'm having a Martha Stewart Christmas, and I'm crafting up a Happy New Year. You must have heard I did a little time upstate. I must say accommodations were first rate. I got my 3 squares every day, and I got to teach a class on macrame. Woo woo, whipping up some eggnog, woo woo, lighting up the U like it's a Martha Stewart Christmas, and we're gonna have a Happy New Year. I'm gonna make the White House out of gingerbread, or maybe I will make the Taj Mahal instead. I've got the neighbors coming over tonight. I'm making sure that punch is spiked. I've got about a half a shot in every cup. I wonder if that's gonna be enough. I don't know how much longer I can keep this up. It takes one woman for a perfect Christmas. It takes a village for a Happy New Year. Woo woo, I feel a little woozy, woo woo. The eggnog is a doozy, takes the pressure off a perfect Christmas. Let's hear it for a Happy New Year. Santa who works harder here, now me or you. I'd like to eat a cookie that was made by you, but this is a Martha Stewart Christmas, and I better have a Happy New Year.